Ever wanted to change your
Voice on Telegram?
Hey Daniel, how are you doing?
Who's this?
That was completely fake. You can totally change your voice on Telegram, not only on calls, but in voice messages as well.
Why did you hang up the phone? I'm just a girl, you know. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to sound like girl or anyone on Telegram.
Just open EaseUS VoiceWave and pick your input and output devices. Then just select your desired voice.
This is an unmaker voice and it's super realistic.
I escaped from this voice.
And to use this on Telegram, just go to the audio settings and select VoiceWave as your input device. To send a voice message, hold down the mic button and start talking.
Hi, I'm Taylor Swift, and you guys are invited into my concerts.
Hey Daniel, how are you doing?
Who's this?
I'm Sarah from the office and I need your help with a project.
Oh, Sarah, I will definitely help you.
That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Daniel.
Anything for you, Sarah? Just don't mention. Alright, I will send you the details.